Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer designed to replenish and lock in moisture for smooth, supple skin. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, this gel absorbs quickly into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration without feeling greasy or heavy. Its unique water gel texture makes it ideal for all skin types, especially oily and combination skin, as it delivers deep hydration while keeping the skin fresh and non-sticky. The oil-free and non-comedogenic formula ensures that pores remain unclogged, reducing the risk of breakouts. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel also acts as a great base under makeup, helping to keep the skin hydrated throughout the day. Dermatologically tested and enriched with skin-nourishing ingredients, this gel strengthens the skin's moisture barrier, preventing dryness and dullness. With regular use, it leaves the skin feeling soft, plump, and healthy, making it a popular choice for those seeking an effective and refreshing daily moisturizer. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a lightweight, fast-absorbing moisturizer designed to deliver intense hydration and keep the skin soft and supple. Its key ingredient, hyaluronic acid, acts as a moisture magnet, attracting and retaining water to keep the skin hydrated throughout the day. The oil-free, non-comedogenic formula ensures that it does not clog pores, making it ideal for oily, combination, and sensitive skin. The unique water gel texture provides the freshness of a gel with the long-lasting moisturizing benefits of a cream, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and non-greasy.